everyone. So we are continuing to solve our 10th grade CBSE math board paper of year 2015 set 2. We have already finished section A and section B in our previous videos. Now let's move to section C. There are 10 questions in the sections and 3 marks each. This is question number 11. In this question, we have a welfare association. It requested government to get 100 tents fixed immediately and they would offer the 50% of the cost. Now tent is in the form of the cylinder and this diameter is 4.2, so radius will be equal to 2.1 meter and height is 4 meter and a conical part is there on the top. The diameter is same and height of this conical part is 2.8 meter. Okay, canvas used is 100 per square meter. So now we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area would be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. And always remember, tent is open from the bottom. Okay, so this will be equal to pi r L plus 2 pi r h. So I can take pi r common, L plus 2h here. Now let's substitute the values and L I can calculate separately also. L will be equal to square root of h square plus r square. So L is equal to, height is 2.8 whole square plus 2.1 whole square. So this is equal to 7.84 plus 4.41. We get here as 5 and 2 and 12.25. Okay, so this is a perfect square, we know. So this L is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay, now let's substitute L here. So 22 by 7, radius we have as 2.1 and L is 3.5 plus 2 into 4, height of the cylinder. So 7, 0.3, we have 6.6 into 8 and 3, 11.5. Let's do some rough work here. So we have 115 into 66. So 6, 3, 9, 690, 690. So we get 75.90, 2 decimal points. Meter square for 100 tents. Area of canvas will be equal to 75.90 into 100. So this will be equal to 7590. So 50% cost will be equal to 7590 tents and 50% will be 50 by 100. Cost is rupees 100 per meter square. This gets cancelled by this. So we have 2 zeros, 45, 25, 29, 237. So this much will be the cost. Answer: the amount association has to pay is rupees 379500. And they are asking the value shown by these association, means they were helping the flood victims. Value based question. Question number 12. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point A on the ground. So let this be point A, and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, you have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So this is 30 degrees now, and we have to, so time here is 15 seconds, and this height is 1500 root 3 meters. So let's name all the vertices: A, B, C, let this be D and E. So we have to basically find the distance of BC, because we know the time here and we can find out the speed with that. Tan 60 degree is equal to EB by AB. So tan 60 degrees root 3 and EB is 1500 root 3 by AB. So AB is equal to 1500 meters. Now let's find out tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to DC by, this is 30 degree, DC by AC. So tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 by AC. Therefore AC is equal to 1500 into root 3 into root 3. So this is equal to 4500 meters. Okay, now we have to find BC. So BC will be equal to AC minus EB. So we have AC as 4500 minus 1500, so 3000 meters. Now speed, we know it is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to 3000 meter, and I have to change into kilometers, so I'll divide by 1000. And time is equal to 15 seconds, and I will change into hours. So this I have to find in kilometer per hour, so I can write down like that. 30 gets cancelled by 3 zeros, 3, 1, 5 and 12. So this is equal to 720 kilometer per hour. So that's the answer. Question number 13. In this question, we are given a hemispherical bowl of internal diameter is 36. So I'll take radius is equal to 18 centimeter. And the liquid in it is filled into 72 cylindrical bottles. So this is my cylindrical bottle of diameter 6. So radius is equal to 3 centimeter. We have 72 bottles. We have to find the height. 10% of liquid is wasted. Volume of hemisphere, right? Liquid in that minus 10% of volume of hemisphere is equal to 72 into volume of cylinder. So volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube minus 10% of 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 72 into pi r square h. Now according to this pi, I can take common and it gets cancelled here. Now I can take this gets cancelled, 2 by 3 r cube common, 1 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 72 into r square h. Now let's substitute the radius and the height. So 2 by 3, radius of hemispherical bowl is 18 into 18 into 18, and this becomes 9 by 10. This is equal to 72 into 3 into 3 into height. 3 times 1, 3, 6 times. So height will be equal to 2 into 6 into 18 into 18 into 9 by 10 into 72 into 3 into 3. So 3 and 3, 9 here, 18, 1, 4 and 2, 2 times 2, 1 time 3. So height I am getting 18 into 3 is 54 by 10. So 5.4 centimeter. That's the answer. Question number 14. In this question, they are giving probability of selecting a red ball, and it has only red, blue and orange balls. This is equal to 1 by 4, and probability of selecting a blue ball from the same jar is 1 by 3, and orange balls are 10, and we have to find the total number of balls. And we already know the sum of all the probabilities. Probability of red ball plus probability of blue ball plus probability of getting a orange ball will be equal to 1. So we have probability of red ball is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus probability of getting orange ball is equal to 1. So probability of getting an orange ball will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So we have probability of getting an orange ball is equal to 12 minus 3 minus 4 by 12. So we have probability of orange ball is equal to 12 minus 7, so 5 by 12. Now we know probability of an event is equal to number of outcomes by total number of outcomes, like total balls I can say. Probability of orange ball is given as 5 by 12 and orange balls are 10, and by total balls. So total balls is equal to 10 into 12 by 5, so 24 balls. So that's the answer. Question number 15. This question we are given a cubical block and side is equal to 10 centimeter and it is surmounted by the hemisphere. On the top we will have this kind of surface. This will be shown and that part of the top of the block. What would be the largest diameter? Therefore largest diameter that the hemisphere can have is equal to 10 centimeter. It can't have greater than that, otherwise it will be coming out. Okay, we have to find the total surface area because we have to find the cost of painting the total surface area. So total surface area of this solid would be total of 6 surfaces, right? So all the 6 surfaces, because on the 6th surface I would say that I will subtract pi r square. So total surface area will be TSA of cube minus area of circle for the top plus surface area of hemisphere which is surmounted. Now let's write down the formulae. So total surface area of cube is 6a square, side square minus area of circle is pi r square plus surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And this would be 6a square plus pi r square. So now 6 into side is 10 into 10 plus 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 5 into 5. So this we have 600 plus 25 to 50, 25 to 550 by 7. 4200 plus 550 divided by 7. This we get 50 and 4750 by 7. 6 times 42, 55, 7 times 49, so 60, and 8 times 56. Then we have 40, 35, 57. This is the total surface area, and we have to find the cost of painting. This is equal to 5 rupees per 100, that's rate, into area. So area is 678.57. This is in centimeter square. So we are getting 5, 35, 25, 28, 2, 42, 4, 39, 3, 339 and 4 decimal points. So 33.9285 rupees. This is the answer. 16th question. In this question, we have 2 points, A and B, and we are given the coordinates -2, and this is 2 and -4, and we have to find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3/7 of AB. So we are given the ratio of this is to this. This is 3 and this is 7. Therefore, AP is to PB is equal to 3:4. PB is equal to 7 minus 3, so it will be equal to 4. So now we can see that M1 is 3 and M2 is equal to 4. X1 is equal to -2, Y1 is equal to -2, X2 is equal to 2 and Y2 is equal to -4. And we have to find the coordinates of P. So let the coordinates of P be X and Y. And we have to use the section formula is, so the coordinates X and Y will be equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2, and Y would be equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, now let's substitute the values here. So X and Y will be equal to 3 into 2 plus 4 into -2 divided by 3 plus 4. Then here we have 3 into -4 plus 4 into -2 divided by 3 plus 4. So we have this equal to 6 minus 8 by 7, and this would be -12 minus 8 by 7. So this gives me -2 by 7 minus 20 by 7. These are the coordinates. The coordinates of P are -2 by 7 and -20 by 7. Question number 17. In this question, we are given 504 cones. So these cones into 504. Diameter is 3.5. So radius will be equal to 3.5 by 2 centimeter. And height is equal to 3 centimeter. They are melted and recast into a metallic sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere and its surface area. So now we can say volume of 504 cones is equal to volume of sphere. So let's write down the formula first. So 504 cones and volume of one cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. I have taken small r and capital R to differentiate between the radii of cone and sphere. Let's substitute the values now. So we have 504 into 1 by 3 into pi into radius is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into height is 3 is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. So pi gets cancelled, this 3 gets cancelled. So we have r cube is equal to 504 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 4. So we have this 252 4 6 times 24 3, and if we remove these two decimal points I'll have 10 and 10 here. So 7 and 7, this is 2 and 2. So we have r cube as 63 into 7 into 7 into 3, and here we have 8. So r cube I can write down as 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. 63 I have factorized as 3 into 3 into 7, and here we have 2 into 2. So we can make pairs of 3 and we can write down radius is equal to 3 into 7 by 2. So 21 by 2. Okay, so therefore diameter is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the surface area also. So surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. We have 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So we have these cancelled and this 3. 66 into 21. So we get 21 6 and 138. So 1386 centimeter square. So answer I can write down as diameter is equal to 21 centimeter and surface area is equal to 1386 centimeter square. Question number 18. This question says all the vertices of a rhombus lie on a circle. So this is the circle and let this be the rhombus. We are given the area of the circle is equal to 1256 centimeter square. Now we know the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So this will be the center point. So in this case, the rhombus is a square. Then only diagonals will be equal and they will act as the diameters of the circle. Let's find out the radius first, and pi we have to take as 3.14. Now area is given to us as 1256. Pi r square is equal to 1256. R square is equal to 1256 divided by 3.14. 14. Removing this decimal, I have 100 and this completely goes by 4. I can see 14 4s are 56 and 3 4s are 12, so that's fine. So radius square is 400, so radius is equal to 20 centimeter and diameter will be equal to 40 centimeter. So both the diagonals are equal in this case, therefore diagonals of rhombus are 40 centimeter each. Now area of rhombus is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So now half into 40 into 40, this is 20, so this comes out to be 800 centimeter square. So answer, area of the rhombus is 800 centimeter square. Question number 19. In this question, we are given a quadratic equation 2x square plus 6 root 3x minus 60 is equal to 0 and we have to solve for x. So first I can take 2 common, so it would be x square plus 3 root 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we have to split the middle term such that sum is equal to 3 root 3 and product is equal to minus 30. So now I can say this is 3 into 10 and root 3 into root 3 into 10, so 5 and 2. So that's what we can write down, 5 root 3 and 2 root 3. So minus. So this would give me the sum as 3 root 3 and product as minus 30. Let's use this in splitting the middle term. So x square plus 5 root 3x minus 2 root 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now here we have x common and x plus 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3 common, x plus 5 root 3 is equal to 0. So the factors are x minus 2 root 3 and x plus 5 root 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 root 3 or minus 5 root 3. Another way we could use is using the quadratic formula. We know quadratic formula is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So on comparing, we know a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 root 3 and c is equal to minus 30. So let's substitute here. X is equal to minus 3 root 3 plus minus, this will be 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 into minus 30 by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 root 3 plus minus square root of, this becomes 9 3 27 plus 120 by 2. So we have minus 3 root 3 plus minus square root of 147 by 2. 147 factors, so 7 21 7 3. So I can write down minus 3 root 3 plus minus 7 root 3 by 2. So my x is equal to minus 3 root 3 plus 7 root 3 by 2 or minus 3 root 3 minus 7 root 3 by 2. So we have this as 4 root 3 by 2, or this is equal to minus 10 root 3 by 2. Then this becomes 2. So this is equal to 2 root 3 or minus 5 root 3. So answer, x is equal to 2 root 3 or minus 5 root 3. Both ways we are getting the same answer. Question number 20. This is the last question of this section. In this question, we are given 16th term of an AP. So T16 is equal to 5 times its third term, and 10th term is equal to 41. We have to find the sum of 15 terms. Okay, so we can use Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T16 is equal to 5 times third term. So this will be A plus 15D is equal to 5 into A plus 2D. So we have A plus 15D is equal to 5A plus 10D. 5D is equal to 4A. A is equal to 5 by 4D. Now let's take T10 is equal to 41. 10th term is 41. So A plus 9D is equal to 41. Now let's substituting the value of A from here. So 5 by 4D plus 9D is equal to 41 from first. 5D plus 36D is equal to 41 into 4. 41D is equal to 41 into 4. So D is equal to 41 into 4 by 41. So D is equal to 4. Now let's find out A. So substituting D in A plus 9D is equal to 41. A plus 9 into 4 is equal to 41. A is equal to 41 minus 36. So A is equal to 5. Now we know A and D, and we have to find sum of 15 terms. So we know the sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now S15 will be equal to 15 by 2, 2 into 5 plus 14 into 4. So we have 15 by 2. Here we have 10 plus 56. So 15 by 2 into 66. This is 3 and 3. So 15, 3 times 45. 15, 3, 45 and 4, 495. So answer I can write down as sum of first 15 terms of this AP is 495. We are done with section C in this video, and section D we are going to do in the next one. So stay tuned and see you all